Hi friend, this is Amit. As Shastra rank has been announced now, so here I am with the complete information regarding Shastra University admission 2026 process. Here I will discuss each and everything, all you need to know about this, that is schedule, eligibility, choice filling, reservation and rules, refund policy, that is admission rules and refund policy. If you pay, then if you don't want to take admission later, whether you will get refund or not. So everything I'm going to talk about, and most importantly I will talk about the cutoff rank also for home state, other state, both people, and for all branches I will discuss. So please try to watch the video up to the last. What are the courses available? Here is the aerospace, bioengineering, bioinformatics, biotechnology and CSE, CSE specialization, electronics communication, electrical instrumentation, robotics, AI and mechatronics, mechanical, MTech integrated biotechnology, MTech integrated media, medical nanotechnology. So there are multiple options available as a branch in main campus. In a second campus also some branches are available. Now let's talk about reservation. That is very important. A stream 1 applicant under the stream 1 will be admitting to 70% of the seat based on JEE mains. JEE mains 70% seats are available. In that 70%, also the different type of reservation is available, means normalized plus 2 marks, the of the seats based on JEE mains score, and normalized plus 2 marks, that is JEE mains plus plus 2 marks will be taken for this stream, and you will get a rank. Based on that you will take the admission in 70% of the college. The weightage of JEE mains score and plus 2 will be 25%, 75%. Means JEE mains weight is very less as compared to plus 2. So if your board score is good, you will get a good rank. Hopefully you have got it. So the aggregate JEE mains score normalize, and then you will get a score. Based on that you will get the admission. So in stream 1 field, for following 20% intake is offered to the student of the Trichy and Tanjore district, 10% reservation, and 50% will be reserved for intake is offered to those who completed 10 and 12 within Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry included. The remaining 30% students who have completed 10 and 12 outside Tamil Nadu. So this is the reservation policy. Same for a stream 2 also, 30% seat will be given. In that 30% also 10% seats are given to this home district, and other district also, the remaining 50% and 30% for outside home state. So this is the reservation policy, stream 1, stream 2. So here is you can take the detail, complete information is there. Registration is step by step. The rank list is published online within 3 hours, as you have already got the rank. So total seat is around 6k plus. It is not 3k, 6k plus seat is there. And JEE plus board students are eligible. Last date as already haven't happened today. You have got the result, and first round will be done soon, within I think second week of June. You will get the first round counseling done. Complete schedule will be announced later. Once it will be announced, I will surely inform you. Category wise reservation is not available, just home state, other state and district reservation is available. Now choice filling is one time, and it is very important. For that I have provided my number on the screen. You can check, you can get my guidance only at 1500, but initially you can pay 499 to get the guidance, that is what are the possibility for you in this counseling based on your rank. And after that I will after that, if you satisfied, then you can pay the remaining amount and get the complete guidance. This 1500 is for first 100 student only. If you come later, you will have to pay more, 2000 or 2.5 thousand also, or 3000 can be also done. So all college branch will be filled at once, so be very careful. Once you do mistake, you will not able to change it in upcoming round. So very important process it is. Simple freeze, float, slide, withdraw option will be available. If you are satisfied with the seat, do freeze. If you are not satisfied, do float and slide, and withdraw also if you are completely not satisfied. Refund up to before last round. Suppose there is 4 rounds, so before 4th round you can take the refund. Once you do the last round, refund is not possible. Registration fees 650 only. Seat acceptance fees 75,000. Hostel fee you can check here, 5% annually will be increased. And here is the hostel sharing, double sharing. So it is a very low cost fee college, and very good college in South India. So here is the information about the cutoff. It is very important. Please try to listen my words carefully. This is the cutoff of Shastra University for this year 2026. Expected for home state and other states. CSE you can get up to 2000 rank if you are from home state. Other state only 900. CSE specialization like AIML, data science, IoT, blockchain technology will be available up to 6.6 thousand. If you do better counseling, you will get best seat up to last round. I will do that once you register with my guidance. Now, other state 3.5 thousand, IT 8,000 and 5,000, RAI, robotics and artificial intelligence 18,000 and 11.6, EC 12 and 7.3. That is home state, other state. First column is for home state, second column is for other state. Now EC specialized like electronics and computer, VLSI 16 and 10, triple E 20 and 12, and triple E specialized 25 and 15, EI and electronics and instrumentation and electron and there is another called IEM 17, that is industrial engineering and management 17 and 25,000, home state, other state 11 and 14,000, and thereafter mechanical and mechatronics 23 and 13,000, aerospace, civil and chemical will be available up to 26,000, home state, other state 15,000, and biotechnology, bioengineering, bioinformatics will be available up to 27,000 and other state only 17,000. So this was the complete information regarding the Shastra University complete admission procedure, and this was about the cutoff. Hope you get my point clearly. Kindly subscribe the channel so you will not miss any update, and if you want the guidance, try to contact me as soon as possible for all type of counseling, Shastra, Manipal, VIT, Comment K, AEEE, JOSA, Jack Delhi, Jack Chandigarh, all type of counseling, SRM also, KIT also, everything I will guide you until your final admission is done. Thank you.